Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, in set theory concept, we are going to learn about types of set. Okay. First one is empty set or null set. So, empty set or null set means it will have no elements. Okay. For example, consider the set of integers between 1 and 2. There is no other integer between 1 and 2. So, what you will get? A null set. Null set can be represented in this form or otherwise like this. Here, there is no elements. The example is the set of integers between 1 and 2. Since there are no integers between 1 and 2, it will form a null set. Okay, null set can be represented like this or in this way. Finite set. The set which has finite number of elements. Finite number of elements is known as finite set. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here, in this set B, the elements are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, you can count the elements. You know how many elements are here? Here only 5 elements. So, there is only finite number of elements in this set. Okay, you can see, you can count how many elements are presented in this set. This is what? Finite number of elements. This set is known as finite set. Whereas in the case of infinite set, the number of elements will be infinite. There will be many elements. There will be lot of elements. 5, 10, 15, For example, if I am writing a multiples of 5 in the set B, then 5, 10, 15 like that it will go on. We can't count how many elements are there. There are infinite number of elements. That's what the infinite set is. Next, equal set. Equal set means you have to consider two sets. Let us consider set A, 1, 2, 3. Next set B, 5, 10, 15. Okay, here these two sets have same number of elements. Here 3 elements, here 3 elements. The number of elements is same, but the elements are different. The number of elements is same, but the elements itself is different. For the set A, it is 1, 2, 3, and for the set B, it is 5, 10, 15. So, these two sets are not equal set. Now, consider another example. C equal to 10, 20, D equal to 10, 20. In these two sets, the number of elements are same. Here 2 elements, here 2 elements. Exactly the elements are, for C the elements are 10, 20 and for D the elements are 10, 20. So, these two sets C and D are equal set. Equal set means the number of elements and the element itself should be same. In the case of equivalent set, the number of elements should be same, but the element itself may be different. A equal to 1, 2, 7, E equal to 9, 11, 2. Here the number of elements for the set A is 3. The number of elements for the set E is 3. But the elements here are different. Here 1, 2, 7. Here 9, 11, 2. Okay. So, here in equivalent, these two sets are equivalent set. In the case of equivalent set, you will consider only the number of elements. So, for the set A and E, the number of elements is same. So, the A and E are equivalent set. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Kindly like, share, comment your doubts